What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of vTuned. So we have the Dodge Charger Hellcat all complete. It looks really nice. Now we're going to show you the new build. Let's go.
All right, guys, this is a 2009 Cadillac CTS-V that we picked up in North Carolina at Insurance Auto Auctions. We've been hunting one of these cars for some time now. Very difficult to find a CTS-V in this good a shape. It does have some damage though. Check it out. So the car took a hit right here to the core support. The frame rail appears to have been possibly pushed down.
Yeah, I got a little bit of damage down there. But guys, check this out. We got a colder intake and we got some headers on it. Let's see if we can get a little shot of that. Can't really see them, but there are Cook's Performance racing headers. Let's go check out the inside.
So on the interior, battery's dead. It blew some bags out. It blew out the two roof bags, the driver wheel bag, and the dash bag, as well as all the two front seat belts.
That's a lot of airbags right there. Just no worry, guys. These airbags are pretty cheap and really easy to replace. So let's go ahead and get this thing on the lift. We want to check out what's going on underneath. All right, so we got the car up in the air. We're gonna go ahead and do some inspecting under here. Check that out. I'm guessing that's why it was so loud. Pipe came off probably during the accident. And we got some oil leaking over here.
Looks like the transmission mount has been bent from the inertia during the wreck. We've got a little bit of transmission fluid.
But check that out, guys. Got full headers. That's pretty awesome. We've got a little bit of oil down here. The car does have like 60,000 miles. I guess that's expected. But the damage doesn't look too bad up here. The radiators kind of look good, but there's a little bit of fluid down here. So we need to go ahead and probably lower this car down and go ahead and disassembling the whole front end. See everything that's bad, see everything we need to replace. So let's do that. She's coming down. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and start disassembling the whole front end, see what we need to order and see what's bad. get that right fender off, we're gonna move the car forward and put it on jack stands because the lift arm is in the way. Other side.
Alright guys, we got everything stripped down to the point where we can see all of the damage.
The radiator support right here is buckled right here and right here. We're gonna try to straighten it, but a radiator support is not that expensive and they're relatively easy to replace. But check this out guys, the oil cooler is good and the heat exchanger for the supercharger looks like it's good. And also the radiators. Can't really see if they're busted anywhere, but we'll start taking that apart once we get it on the frame rack. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. When we went ahead and took the fender off, everything back here is nice. The apron got bent a little bit, but shouldn't be nothing we can't handle.
So guys, check out this car. It's very rare to find a car, especially with this kind of mileage, to be in such good shape. I don't think we found a serious scratch or dent that wouldn't be easily fixed anywhere on this car. Whoever owned it before took very good care of it.
Got everything stripped down here. We know everything we need to order. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump inside and go ahead and start stripping all the airbags out.
On to the fun stuff.
See what's going on in here.
Yeah, so I had to take the seats out, including the back seat, which is bolted to the car. It doesn't actually fold out because the harness for the headliner that runs to the front of the car actually plugs in all the way back here. So to get to that, you've literally got to take everything apart. That's it.
Headliner ready to come out?
Just got one more bolt. There's a clip. Some GM guys, man. Look at this BS, dude. Can't make the plug. Okay.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and try to get this headliner out. Yeah, it's kind of crunched.
Yeah, you gotta put your seat all the way down, bro. As far as it'll go.
All right.
Man, I don't even see how this thing would come out.
Not gonna fit.
Maybe this back door.
pain in the butt to get these things out.
Damn, I got to bend it in half. There's nothing I can do.
Oh man. Well, we got it out and kind of bent it, but we gotta redo it anyways.
It looks good though. This is the only damage right here.
We got a headliner guy that will fix that right up.
That's nothing. And then we can cut the glass out. And before we put the new glass in, we'll get the new liner in.
Yeah, that'd be a lot easier. The glass is busted right here from the airbag. Yeah, we just need to go ahead and get these airbags off. We don't have new airbags yet. We'll probably go to the local junkyard and see if they have them, because they are the same from just a regular CTS. So let's go ahead and get those off.
All right, guys, after getting as far as we could on the front end, we have to wait on parts now. We went onto the interior and got it tore down. Got the blown seat belts out. Got the control module out. Got the driver wheel bag out. Got the headliner and both airbags out. Gonna send out the seat belts and the module to get reset. We will pull out the dash a little bit later.
All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We've got a lot of stuff tore down on this car. Now it's time to start ordering parts. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.